Boori's expandable cot beds have been created with innovative technology that ensures a longer lifespan and provide great value. When the time is right, each cot bed can easily transform into a full adult-sized single bed using the Easy Store conversion kit included. As with all Boori furniture, they go above and beyond to exceed all required safety standards for peace of mind that your little one is sleeping safely. Crafted with solid wood, Boori favour the most natural resources available, which is why they use FSC certified solid wood wherever possible in their furniture. Not only does it create a beautiful and unique finish, it also provides a solid and sturdy structure to withstand the bumps and knocks of family life. This rich colour and signature finish is achieved with Boori's unique EcoBlend BioPaint, which is made using natural, renewable resources, including soybean and corn. Not only does this enhance the beauty of the wood's grain, it also helps to protect the home environment from any nasty chemicals. As testimony to the quality and longevity of Boori furniture, they have a comprehensive manufacturer's warranty which protects against manufacturing faults or defects. Boori sell their own range of supportive mattresses with ultra-breathable and hypoallergenic fabrics to provide a completely safe and comfortable sleeping environment for babies. When converted to the adult-sized bed, it's compatible with a standard-size single mattress. Boori cot beds have two base heights. The high base allows for easy access to newborns, and the lower base keeps them safe when they're that little bit bigger and are able to pull themselves up. With a few simple adjustments, all Boori cot beds can be converted into a toddler bed. Once the side panel is removed, the cot bed serves as a small cosy sofa, or a Toddler Guard Panel can be purchased and attached to the base of the cot bed for additional safety, as baby transitions from cot bed to toddler bed. This also means your little one has a familiar environment as they go through this important growth stage. Once your child has outgrown the toddler bed mode, this cot bed can easily transform into their first big bed. Boori's expandable cot beds convert into a full adult-size single bed and come with everything you need for this transformation. The Easy Store conversion kit is small and compact, so you can just pop it under your cot bed until you're ready. With step-by-step instructions, as you can see, the whole assembly process is simple and fuss-free.